Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can install Claude Code on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So this is the command to install on Windows. Copy it. Run as administrator and type this command. Setting up Claude Code, setting up launcher and getting installed. So it is completed and type Claude help. So it is saying native installer exists, but this is not in path. So I need to add this into the path. Edit environment variables, then go to the path, edit and new this. Okay. Open the terminal. So now Claude is running. Now this is the help command. Prompt add dir agents allow dangerously skip permissions and agents auth Claude doctor auto mode etc. So we will simply type Claude. Yes, to trust this folder. Now Claude is running. So these are the command you can log in. Claude account set with subscription. So you can log in to the Claude with your subscription, or you can use the Anthropic account or third-party platforms like Amazon, Bedrock, Microsoft Foundry, etc. So in this video, I showed you how to install Claude on. In this video, I showed you how to install Claude Code on Windows 10 machine. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.